Hello, Ian with Safe Harbor Septic. Today we're out on a job putting in lids and risers, and we have other work to do, but this is what we're talking about right now. So they were about 20 inches, the tank was 20 inches down, so we needed to bring them up so that we can access them easily. So over here we have a 12-inch diameter riser, and the right way to do this is to excavate down to the tank lid and then clean it up, brush it off, get it nice and clean, and then apply mastic, which is like a tar sealant, to the underside, and then heat it up so it's nice and pliable. Put it on and stand on it or sit on it, and it helps it seal and fill in the gaps. Makes a nice good seal. And then of course put lids on the top, but it makes inspector's job a lot easier and a pumper's job a lot easier, and in a lot of places it's required to meet code. So anyways, that's what we're doing here today, and we'll see you next time.